An elderly man sat quietly on his porch when a woman approached with 3 children. She smiled warmly and introduced herself as his daughter-in-law. The man looked confused but invited them inside, offering water and seats. Something felt wrong, so he asked if she had photos of her husband. She eagerly handed him several pictures, watching his face expectantly. His casual glance turned to frozen horror as his hands began trembling. The photos scattered to the floor as all color drained from his face. He stared at his son, who had died in a car crash years ago. Then he looked up at the eldest boy, seeing his dead son's identical face. His heart shattered as he realized the impossible truth he must now reveal.